Hi, I'm Roith and this is Stuart, and this is our poster about mathematical patterns in nature. Well, how does this relate to our topic, decoding the universe? Mathematical patterns in nature is one minor piece of a much larger puzzle, but it's a very important piece. Now let's move on to this. What are some of the most common mathematical patterns in nature? Well, some of them are Fibonacci, fractals, golden ratio, and symmetry. Well, let's dive into Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series where the previous two numbers add up to the next number in the sequence, providing an infinite loop. It is seen in pine cones and sunflower spirals, optimizing seed placement and growth, as you can see in Figure 3. Now, what are fractals? Fractals are repeating self-similar patterns seen in trees, rivers, and coastlines. These normally result, as you can see in Figure 2, these normally result from things like erosion and others. Now, I'm going to hand over to Stuart to tell you more.
Patterns in the form of spots and stripes result in a chemical phenomenon called the reaction diffusion effect. During the development, chemicals are called inhibitors and activators. It interacts to produce the resulting pattern. Some animals in nature are called, some animals that have the pattern in nature are called the Voronoi pattern, such as the pattern on giraffes, jaguars, and even sea urchins. A snowflake is formed by the conditions in the environment, including the temperature and the humidity of the air. Snowflakes always have a hexagonal lattice structure. Patterns in nature can help mathematicians and scientists make predictions to develop new technologies and deepen our understanding of the natural world. For example, like how the sunflower seeds are arranged in a spiral to make up the Fibonacci sequence. To make our poster, we use the apps Word, Canva, PowerPoint, Google, Notes, and Procreate. We use the clear readable font size of 30, the font being Calibri Body. Thank you for listening to our poster about mathematical patterns in nature.